Just a little editing, he won't suspect anything. We must prepare in detail. Ryan's mother is very sharp-eyed. Perfect. No one will suspect. Pregnant women don't use strong fragrances. Must pretend to be pitiful so Ryan and his mother will pity me. 2 lines, 2 chances. Either I win or she loses.